Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. This is Eizy from Eizy Customizer. We build, we share, and we inspire. This week I'm going to share the latest updates on my current custom build project, Glaive Unit 5 Nezuko, inspired by Nezuko from Kimetsu no Yaiba anime series. It has giant claws and twin mega cannons attached at the back. So before everything, let's check out the size comparison with Master Grade 1/100 scale Zaku Gunner Luna Maria Hawk version and the high grade 1/1 Fofo scale Astray No Name. It is much taller and bigger compared to both scales. The arms are pretty long and equipped with some kind of shield. Claws are made out from Kotobukiya MSG weapon parts, and there's another weapon hiding underneath the claws too. It is fully detachable and easy for the paint job later on. For the twin cannons at the back, it is a combination of GN Archer, Freedom Gundam, and Unicorn Gundam weapon parts. And at the back, we have the dragon hat, and this is the new hat design, but not the final one. I will fix that one later. And we have this movable side skirt here, and also this long tail at the back. I tried to make an alien looking head design, but this is not the final one. Going to fix this later. And this is the front chest design, made out from various small Gunpla parts, fully disassembled for paint job. This shoulder design is my favorite. There's a booster down here, see, and this articulation is for the transformation later on. Clothes are attached to this tall geese part here, also can become a shield. And at the front we have a very long front skirt design here. Some articulation here for the weapon on the backpack. It can move like this and a bit like so. And this is a long tail at the back attached with a built-in stand down here. This long part is actually a stand for Nezuko. Movement here, and also there's a small booster at the center. So for the tail part is attached using ball joint. The backpack is fully articulated. Check out the joints here. These are actually Kotobukiya joints. The backpack can extend like this for the transformation and make this kind of pose that looks pretty cool, just like a Raphael Gundam in Gundam 00 series. For the transformation, first we need to pull out the head and turn the backpack into this position here, slowly, and about this far. So next is we need to rotate the shoulder and also the arm like this. Do the same thing on the other arm, and see, we have additional boosters at the back, and attach back the head into this ball pack at the back. Moving on to the backpack, put it down and let it sit on the top like this. Make sure everything is tight. So for the long weapon here, long cannons, just let it sit on the shoulder. Pull this dragon head out and rotate it. Put it back in like this until you will get this upper design. For the leg, first thing to do is pull out this tiny part here, and you can bend it like this, and the upper part too, until you will get this kind of leg design. Do the same thing for the other leg. Put them back in, and there we have our dragon mode. For the long tail at the back, well, just leave it like that because it's just a tail. So this is the simple transformation for this Unit 5 Nezuko. So for the dragon head, the mouth can open up like this, and there's some articulation for the head. You can move up and down, left and right, and make some rotation because this is using ball joint. Let me show you how Nezuko can stand without using any action base. This tail part, there's a built-in stand part that can support the entire weight of this unit. The backpack is pretty heavy, no kidding, because of the huge weapons at the back. And check out this part here, the middle black part will support the backpack, and this long stand to the ground will support the entire weight. That's the trick. There are still plenty more to do before I can start priming the entire build and moving on to the paint job. This is the biggest Glaive custom build so far among the other 6 units. It's already take more than 3 to 4 months now till the day I release this video for work in progress. I really hope that I can finish this project in time this year so I can move on with the next Glaive custom. Thank you very much for watching. I see you guys next time in my next video. That's all for me today. Ciao. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on RZEZ Customizer Facebook page and my Instagram RZEZ. The links are in the description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, reviews, tutorials, and many more, because here on RZEZ Customizer we build, we share, and we're inspired. See you guys next time. Ciao.